Hey, it's Lindsey Whitney with the Platinum Group at National Realty, and today we are at Laguna Village with one of our homes move-in ready, ready to be sold, waiting for a new owner. So come on in and we're going to take a look around. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's just over 1,800 square feet. So the thing that I love about our inventory homes is it really showcases the Prima's quality and our standard features. So pretty much everything you're going to see in this home is standard. The only thing that's not is our floor, and it's just dollars over standard. So it's not even a huge upgrade, which is nice because we're one of the only builders that can give you a wood tile looking floor for the price that we can give it to you for. So come on into the kitchen. We've got your nice breakfast nook over here. Laguna Village is a gas neighborhood, so you're going to have a gas cooktop 4-burner with the typical microwave stove setup. It does include a refrigerator, which is amazing. A lot of builders in this area do not include refrigerators. So you're going to get a stainless steel side-by-side refrigerator. And then you're gonna get your dishwasher, and then your typical. We do the bigger farm-looking sink, so it's got the one piece and your nice little contraption here, whatever this thing is called, faucet. Now, since we are a gas neighborhood, if you come into our laundry room, we do include a nice little vanity, which we love. It's going to have your sink, your wash sink, and this, again, for the ease of cleaning, so that's nice. And then your gas is stubbed out for your dryer, so you could do electric or gas on the dryer, which is nice. I can tell you, living in this area, there are not many homes at all that come with gas, so this is really a nice amenity. So I'm actually going to do the man tour and take you into the garage, just because we do things a little bit different out here. So our garage is going to come with your floors painted. It's going to have the concrete speckled paint, and there's a couple colors to pick from. And your AC is going to be a 16-seer Train AC. And you've got the gas hot water heater, so that's nice. The AC does have the gas furnace, so you're going to get longevity out of it versus a heat pump. And then we do have the pull down stairs for you. And believe it or not, our garage door does include a motor. I know there are builders out there that don't include the motor on the garage door. But this is a nice finished garage. The exterior walls have a thin layer of stucco to finish them with the exterior paint color. So they're not just left as the concrete block painted over. And then we've got your hurricane shutters stored over in the window nice and neat, or in the corner nice and neat. And if you notice, we do have the bump out here. So when you're pulling in, you've got that little extra space to get your car in, and you should be able to get 2 full-size cars in here. All right, so next we will go to the master. Now, because this is an inventory home, carpets will come in the bedrooms. We have not selected a carpet. We usually will let the buyer select the carpet, so that's why you see concrete floors. I do love the concrete floors though, because it gives us the opportunity to show you some of our quality of construction. We do score our foundation. So in Florida, we live on sand. Your foundation will crack. So there's 2 types of concrete in Florida. There's freshly poured and cracked, and that's all that exists. So the scoring is just going to help control the cracks throughout the house. Now we do have the his and hers closet, which is nice. So it gives the woman her space. And then this is the master bath. So it's going to come with double sinks, and it's a nice big walk-in shower. If somebody wanted to build a shower seat in here, there's plenty of room for it. And again, this is all examples of our standard features.